Welcome to Modern Living with Kat. Today we are in the south of France in a city called Toulon. We are just putting this beautiful home on the market and I am very excited to share with you one of the French Riviera's best kept secrets. If you are looking for the Mediterranean Riviera experience without the Riviera price tag, Toulon is a city to consider. This historic and well-preserved natural seaport has been the base of France's Navy for centuries. It was where Napoleon became famous with his big military victories. And it is a very, very French city with beautiful sand beaches, much nicer beaches than Nice, I have to say. No offense to Nice, but it is a gorgeous town, very charming. And this particular home is on Mount Fabre with a beautiful, incredible view of the mountains and the sea. This home is over 200 mètres carrés, which is about 2,000 square feet. It has big, expansive spaces, 2 suites parentales, so 2 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms, as well as a 3rd bedroom and a 3rd bathroom and multiple water closets or toilets as well. You have a full salon and you have 2 different terraces as well as this garden over a 2-car garage. Another really cool thing about this home that makes it really special is there are 2 separate entrances. So it would be a great home to purchase as a family and make 2 generational separate apartments to share with your family. And this isn't a home where people just come on vacation. This is a place where people really live. So you really get the true provincial experience without some of the higher price tags. Okay, so this house features a 2-car garage, which when it's 90 degrees outside, like it is today, that's a really cool thing to have, literally. But there's something else I want to show you, which is amazing, especially since we're in the Rosé region of France. Come with me. Check out this cave with the rocks from Mount Fabre built right into the cave. So this is the ideal place for you to store your wine. So you store your rosé in here and then you enjoy it up on one of your terraces with the view. Another fun fact about Toulon, especially if you're looking for an escape from a northern winter of any kind, is that Toulon has 300 days a year of sun. My client told me that whenever she's looking at the weather throughout the year, there's this little part of France right here in Toulon that always is sunny, even when it's raining nearby. So you're pretty much guaranteed to have a beautiful day if you're here in Toulon. It also has a cypress tree, which is the tree of the region, and it is a sign of good luck, that you're gonna have good luck in your home if you have a cypress tree in this part of the Var region of France. This home is listed for 699,000 euro, and it does have the possibility of being purchased furnished. If you would like to tour this home or are interested in learning more about Toulon and why it is one of the French Riviera's best kept secrets, please reach out. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow below. À bientôt.